Your best choice in cereals, the best to you each morning, has brought you Huckleberry Hound.
We will be back in town with Huckleberry Hound until you got